What the heck was that? Did you hear that? Hi! Hey, look! Look at Mama! Hey, baby!
See, it used to go all the way to that side. Now it goes to
Let's go back down.
Is that writing?
Where?
Is that
Where?
right there?
I can't see.
Can't see.
There is, and those people are crazy. Squirrel. వాడికి భయం లేదుగా So they all just pat her anyways. They're like, watch out, she's timid. They're like, okay, and pat her. Everybody patted her.
Yeah, I was surprised Heidi didn't do anything.
I know.
The boy actually just did this to her face.
Really?
Yeah, like hold Heidi, hold on, hold on. Just doing this.
No, do it to the camera. Show the camera. And she didn't even growl.
Yeah, she did this to the Heidi.
Good girl.
I was
Heidi.
like, okay.
I think she's too tired to be grumpy right now. Maybe it's just the way the boy approached her last time that scared her. I think maybe he like bent down to pat her and he put his face in her face and it made her growl. Heidi's like, yeah, do whatever you want to my face. I'm too tired to fight back. Should have brought a good camera. It's gonna be really good for when. It would be really good for when we go to the castle and take pictures. Like, it would have been perfect.
Yeah, but your camera.
I know. Why didn't you remind me?
Someone's a butt face. Go.
Look at the picture of the person falling off the cliff.
Then they should have put an X on